In this review, we will be discussing in detail the best soundbar under 500 available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best soundbar under 500, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide presents Top 5 Best Soundbar Under 500. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 5. Best is an S6520 soundbar. Powerful speakers deliver a round, high-end audio experience for bedrooms and apartments. 3 inches full-range drivers and dual bass ports that bring the richer. Multiple wireless and wired connections. 3 different equalizer modes. Compatible with multi-devices. The combination of exclusive bass-enhanced technology, advanced audio settings, a fine-tuned digital signal processor. Number 4. Kmook KM-HSB001 Soundbar for Small TV. Dual driver and passive vibration plate design for more powerful sound. 2.0 channels for a better hearing experience. Compact design allows to place it almost anywhere. It can also be used as a Bluetooth 5.0 soundbar to easily. Ultimate gaming experience. High-quality music. 3D surround sound. Remote or touch control. Improved TV sound. Number 3. Woholm S89 Soundbar. 2.9 inches high, could fit easily under your TV and desktop monitor. Built-in 4x20W powerful full-range speakers. Produce crystal clear sound and deep bass for all your movie. Enjoy wireless streaming music through Bluetooth 5.0. DSP technology for amazing clarity and precision sound. Remote and button control, supplied bass and treble adjustable. Great for living room and bedroom. Number 2. Samsung A650 Series Soundbar. Immersive surround sound simulation that draws you in. A dedicated speaker enhances dialogue so you hear every word. Optimizes sound to video content. Wireless subwoofer included. Instantly amplify the bass with the touch of a button. Center channel for clear dialogue. Give your bass an instant boost with the push of a button. A world of sound with one remote. More sound without the wires. Number 1. Bose Solo 5 TV Soundbar. The single soundbar provides better sound quality compared to your TV alone. Dialogue mode to make every word and detail stand out. Bluetooth connectivity to wirelessly stream music from any of your devices. One connection to your TV. Universal remote controls TV, bass, Bluetooth connections, and more. Augment your HD picture with sound to match. The secret to the sound. Bluetooth connectivity and gaming system.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.